Hi, I'm Marna and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel. As you can tell, I've been shopping. God, I love these rainbow high dolls. As a collector, I think that they are nice dolls. The clothing is such quality. If you wanted to, the clothing does fit other dolls about the same size. Here's who I got. Woo! I wanted this one for several reasons. And she went on sale at our Walmart, and so I finally got her. I have the Poopsie Surprise that looks exactly like her, only 14 inches. Yes, I would absolutely love to have the 24-inch, or is it 28? But I don't think I'll be spending that kind of money on them. We'll see. Then they had Stella also, which, if you know me, you know I am a hot pink girl. I love neon pink. So I got her. I got these two at the same time. And then this one was a little bit more expensive, but I absolutely love neon green, lime green. This is a doll I wanted when she came out, but I kept waiting for the price to fall. I did pay $21.88, I think, and you can get them at Walmarts for that. I've seen them at a lot of Walmarts for that. So I broke down and thought, you know what? I should get it before they're gone, or I'm going to be so sorry. So those were older ones. And then this girl went on sale that I absolutely love. Now, to me, she has kind of a funny eye set, but I looked on the shelf and I've been watching people unbox her, and I think that's her face mold that she just has. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's different. And I kind of like it. I mean, it's fine with me. And then I got one more that just came yesterday. And that is one I really wanted. And every time I see you all open this girl, it's like, oh God, I'm gonna need two of those because I want one open and one in the box. Look what they're doing now at Walmart. They put stickers on them with your name. I'm okay with that. And I just found Krystal Bailey, I don't know, 10 days, 2 weeks ago for, I think it was $13 each. I bought two, one to open, which you saw my opening, and the Nightmare Before Christmas clothing I made for her. And I got one to leave in the box. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And if you remember, I just got two more of, oh God, I can't even think of her name. The little girl I just got. Darren, can you think of it?
I cannot. I can't keep track of your dolls. I'm going to try.